Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we just wrapped up our little roof repair. This was our way of fixing some really poor roofing work. We replaced 2.5 sheets of decking. You can see our tie-in line. Came up, replaced the roof boot, redid the corner flashing details, doubled it up to cover some of the bad wood on the side of the chimney. Redid all of this with leak barrier. House needs some exterior repairs, but we're trying to stay in budget with what the customer has right now. Main job today was to get the roof to stop leaking, and we've done that. These are CertainTeed XT25s in Dove Gray, CMI synthetic underlayment. Orlando's cleaning off the metal roof now, and this job is a wrap. No more leaks, and that's how we do it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Everybody stay safe and have a great weekend. If we can help you out with your roofing problems, give us a call, 478-501-0102.